For today's topic, we will discuss about polynomials and its operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So what will be our intended learning outcomes? What should we need to learn at the end of the lesson? We need to define a polynomial and the types of polynomial, and then we will perform operations, the four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions. So let's define first what is a polynomial. A polynomial expression is of the form an xn plus an minus 1 xn minus 1 plus a cube x cube a squared x squared plus a1x plus a sub o, where coefficients of an till a0 should be real numbers. It could be positive, negative, fractions, roots, and our n should be integer. So when we say integers, we're talking about only where n is 0 or where n is positive numbers, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth. Now, another one, we will define the order of a polynomial, which means if you say the order of the polynomial is the highest power of the variable it contains. So what would be the highest power of x? That is the order of a polynomial. So for example, in this case, 3x plus 5, this is what you call a linear polynomial. 4x squared minus 2x plus 3 is an example of a quadratic polynomial. 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 11 is a cubic polynomial. X to the power of 4 minus 4x plus 5 is an example of a quintic polynomial. Why it is linear? When you say linear, the order is 1. The highest power is 1. Quadratic if the order is 2. Cubic if the highest power or the order is 3. Quintic if the order or the highest power is 4. So these are examples and names of polynomial. So next is we move on to the operation. Let's start with the addition of polynomial. When you say addition of polynomial, we're just going to add like terms. What do you mean by like terms? So let's say x and 5x. They are like terms, same variables of x. Or let's say 3x squared y. The like term, it's minus 2x squared y. For as long as their variables are same, then they are like terms. And then always remember to arrange the terms in decreasing order. So power 5, power 4, power 3, 2, 1, and 0. And then if in addition, you just need to add the coefficients. So in this case, the coefficient of here is 3 and the coefficient here it's minus 2. So you just need to add this one and then you just copy the variable, which is x squared y. When you say addition, it could be the operation is this. You could say add this and this, or find the sum. So these three things are related to addition of polynomials. So let's start with the first example. Add. Add, meaning you add, you plus this polynomial to this polynomial. So how you're going to add that one, you just have to combine the like terms. So you have to look here. 5x squared similar with 7x4. They are like terms. Minus 3x cubed and 5x cubed. Minus 2x, nothing. So this is another term. 3x squared, nothing. We don't have another here. So this is the last. And then we have here the number. Okay? So 5x squared, 5x power 4 plus 7x power 4 minus 3x cubed plus 5x cubed. They are like terms. They are like terms. So they are also like terms. So we'll just combine them. And then these are the remaining, which they don't have any like terms. So we will add the coefficient. 5 plus 7 is 12x4. So that's why 12x4 minus 3 plus 5, it's 2x cubed. And then here we'll just simply copy this one. We cannot add this because this is different, and this doesn't have any variable. So this is your final answer. You can also, another way of solving or finding the sum of this polynomials is you just arrange them by column. So if they are same, then you just have to write, so the next polynomial, this one, you will rewrite it, line them with the same variable. So here 5x4, you will inline it with 7x4. See, you will write them according if they are the same, and then you just simply add. So 5 plus 7, it's 12x4 minus 3 plus 5, 2x cubed. This doesn't have the same, so carry down. This one also carry down, and then carry down. So if you could observe, if you could check, this one, solution 1 and solution number 2 has the same answer. So either you do it, in this case, putting them in this side, and then you add the coefficients, or writing them into, if they have the same coefficients, into this form, and that is also fine. Okay, so let's have another one. Find the sum. Sum is, you are going to add this coefficient, this polynomial with this polynomial. Okay, so let's have this one. Minus x4 plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1 and 5x squared minus 3x minus 2. So we will combine the like terms. So minus x4, you have here. Okay, so I remove first the brackets, and then you add the similar term. So minus x4 doesn't have the same here. So here 3x squared plus 5x squared. So they are same, so you can add them. 2x is same with minus 3x and the numbers and this one. So the final answer is minus x4, 3 plus 5, 8. The same variable, which is x squared. 2x minus 3x is minus 1, the same coefficient, which is x. Minus 1 minus 2, it's minus 3. So final answer is minus x4 plus 8x squared minus x minus 3. Okay, let's have the next operation, which is subtraction. So the same with addition, you just need here to subtract the like terms only. And then the same thing, you need to arrange in decreasing order, power of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you subtract the coefficients and then copy the variable and the exponent. So for example, this one, simplify 5x4 minus 3x cubed minus 2x minus the polynomial 7x4 plus 5x cubed plus 3x squared minus 2. So first, you need to remove the bracket here. So when you remove the bracket, this one, but this is minus, so you need to change the sign or carry the sign for all in the bracket. So that's why minus 7, minus times this becomes minus 7, minus times 5 becomes minus 5x cubed, minus times 3x squared, minus 3x squared, minus times minus 2 becomes 2. After that, you combine the like terms. So we have this and this, same x4. We have minus 3x cubed and minus 5x cubed. This one, combine them together. Minus 3x squared doesn't have the same, so we copy. Also this one we copy, and also this one we copy. Remember, see the order, the power is decreasing. 4, 3, 2, power 1, and then 0. Then we add the coefficients. So 5 minus 7, it's minus 2, x4. Minus 3 minus 5, it's minus 8x cubed, same x cubed. So that's why you copy the same variable. And then here, this is not the same with this. It's not the same with this. So we just carry over them. We copy them. So the final answer is minus 2x power 4 minus 8x cubed minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay, let's have another example. Subtract this polynomial to this polynomial. So from, but there is a word from. So since there is a word from, you subtract this, meaning you subtract this in this polynomial. Hence, 7x power. So this will be your first minus the second because of this word from. Okay, so again, we will remove the bracket. So you multiply this here and here. So 7x4 minus 5x cubed plus 3x squared plus 4 minus here. So minus x cubed minus this minus 3x squared minus minus. So that's why become plus. And then you combine the like terms. So 7x4 minus 5x cubed minus x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. And then you add the coefficient. So here, you just copy that one. Minus 5 minus 1, it's minus 6x cubed. 3 minus 3 is 0. That's why we did not write it there. And then 5x plus 4. So this is the final answer.